Ever pondered what it would be like if artificial intelligence could be your financial advisor, guiding you towards the golden path of financial independence? Well, the future is here and it's now. Welcome to a world where AI is changing the game of financial planning and investment. So buckle up as we dive into how you can achieve financial independence with AI. Step 1. Understand what financial independence means. It's the state where your passive income can cover your living expenses. You work because you want to, not because you have to. But how do you get there? That's where AI comes in. Step 2. Utilize AI-based financial planning tools. These tools can provide personalized investment advice, manage your portfolio, and even predict market trends. They analyze your financial data, learn from it, and then make recommendations that align with your financial goals. Step 3. Trust the process. AI algorithms get better with time. The more data they have, the more accurate their predictions become. Remember, financial independence isn't achieved overnight. It's a journey, and AI is your navigator. Step 4. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Even though AI is managing your finances, you need to stay involved. Monitor your investments, review the performance, and adjust your plan as needed. AI provides the tools, but you are still the decision maker. Step 5. Diversify your portfolio. AI can help identify investment opportunities across various markets that you might not have considered. Diversification reduces risk and increases the potential for returns. So let AI guide you towards a diversified portfolio. In conclusion, achieving financial independence with AI involves understanding the concept of financial independence, using AI-based financial planning tools, trusting the process, reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, and diversifying your portfolio. It's a marriage of technology and finance, where artificial intelligence becomes your financial ally, guiding you towards your financial goals. So, embrace the future of finance. Embrace AI.